All right, so you're coming up to the dock nice and slow like this. As you're coming up, you want to have both ropes ready. So you want to get a rope on that corner and then on this back corner and put it onto the cleat as well. Make sure that the fenders are both out. There and there. So you're gonna pull up here, then you're going to take a hard left. You're gonna put it in neutral. You're gonna wait for yourself to drift a little bit past it. You're gonna put it into reverse. So you wanna turn your steering wheel this way. Put it in neutral again. Get as close as you can here. It doesn't have to be too exact. So I'm gonna go back forward because I'm not lined up quite right. And then I'm gonna back up. All right, that's probably good. You're gonna put it in neutral. You're gonna open that door there. You can also have somebody on the back or do it yourself, either way. You're gonna grab the rope. You're gonna step off the boat. Now the boat's in neutral. It's not in gear at all. You can see the prop is not running. I'm gonna bring the boat back. Doesn't really matter where. Right now we're just gonna throw this cleat on. Then you're gonna have the person in the front throw you the rope and then just pull the boat in. If you need to, you can use the docking pole. So you can use the docking pole like that to pull yourself in. I'm gonna pull the boat back up front here. And then you're gonna tie this rope on. So we're gonna do it front and back both. So this one, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna take the rope, pull it in here, and you want about, maybe about 18 inches of rope or so. And you're gonna loop it, one more, and you're done. But when you put it onto the cleat goes like this. You're gonna take the loop, you're gonna run it through the middle of the cleat and around both sides and pull it tight. Make sure that both of your fenders are positioned correctly. These clips are in place. The fender is against the boat and the dock there. Same with that one.